Eurjpy here. So from yesterday, we can see how yesterday candles closed. And from Monday, I said this momentum could continue. Okay, above this region here, we're looking to go along on this pair. So we've seen price more or less close above 169,375 area here on the daily, and it's a kind of a resistance area on daily. And looking at the weekly, I did say the weekly was an uptrend, so that's one thing to note down. Okay, looking at the daily, we closed above uh, a daily area of support of resistance. Okay, so we've cleared this area of resistance right here. Now looking at the 4 hourly, the 4 hour wise. Okay, if we're to use the 4 hour structure, you can clearly see that the 4 hourly is still below the 100% area. We came through yesterday, we reached it once. I thought we were going to close above, but the market pushed back down. So uh that's one way. Okay, but right now we can clearly see that the current momentum on the daily is pushing to the upside. Uh Now the structure on the 4 hourly is still more or less bearish. Okay, and so for a position now, okay, we're using the 1 hour type setup at this area. Okay, the price more or less broke on the daily. So if we were to see a rejection of 169,375, that would be a nice type opportunity. Okay, to then take this to the upside here of 170 and then wait to see how price is going to react from there. But if we don't and we see a break of this low, we expect a retest and a continuation to maybe into 168,750. Okay, following the 4 hour structure. So right now, like I said, okay, this is something I teach my students and I'm going to say here. We're currently experiencing a level of something called dissonance. We're currently experiencing something called dissonance. Okay, so is dissonance is basically where daily momentum, the daily bar is pushing to the upside. Okay, let me use the daily bar is pushing to the upside. Okay, this is this kind of okay. But the structure on the 4 hour time frame is still more or less, as you can see, something like this. So the best thing to do is wait for our resistance to break. This is I'm giving a free tutorial here, guys. Best thing to do is wait for the 4 hour resistance here to break before looking to enter. Now I don't know, this might have another name, okay, because the concepts currently on technical analysis are so much. But that's just what it is to me, is dissonance in the market, and that's what it is right here. That's why I'm calling it dissonance. So for a clear direction now, okay, I will have to wait to see, okay, how, like I said, the 1 hour is going to react to 169,375. If we see a rejection here, okay, fine, a long trade to the upside. If not, and price breaks below 169,375, we go short. Okay, marking out the confluences. Okay, go ahead. So see this trend line area of support broken. Okay, trend line area of support is broken. Now trend line may break, but trend line may break, but as long as structure is still pushing to the upside, we have to wait. So even though we've seen a break of this counter trend line here, okay, I'll more or less still be looking at price dipping below this support area, retested, and then continuing to the downside. That's a potential sell type setup. Okay, but if The daily candle more or less continues this momentum above this dissonance area. Okay, so get a closure above this region. I'll gladly jump into a long position, but for now, okay, there's dissonance in the market, and what I'll basically want to do is wait, okay, especially from right here, this area that I'm currently at, to see how price is going to react, and then follow through, okay. So there's no need rushing into any position where you don't have a defined direction or a clear direction, okay, because we could go long here and the market could go short following the 4 hour structure type move, okay. We could go short here and the market could continue this daily momentum and continue to the upside. So that's what dissonance is. Now the best thing is to wait. Okay, that's what we're going to do. And yeah, I'll check back with you guys at the end of the day to see the direction or the decision the market eventually makes.